Today, Maya is super excited because she will be learning how to use Scratch, a tool that helps create interactive stories, games and animation using block-based programming. Along the way, Momo will guide her. So friends, join us and feel free to pause the video to practice along. First things first, let's set up the Scratch account. Go to scratch.mit.edu and click Join Scratch in the corner. Follow the simple steps to create your username, password, and confirm your email. And just like that, you're ready to explore. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Scratch interface. The blocks palette contains code blocks organized into categories like motion, looks, and sound. The script area is where you drag and drop blocks to create instructions for your sprites. The stage is where your animations and interactions come to life, and the sprite list lets you manage the characters and objects in your project. In Scratch, blocks are pieces of code that you drag and drop to connect together and control actions. Motion blocks help move and rotate sprites. For example, you can use move 10 steps to make a sprite move. You can increase the size of the block or move it along the x-axis or y-axis, and also choose a sprite from the bottom of the stage to add to your project. Scripts are groups of connected blocks that make your sprites perform specific actions, like moving or talking. For example, you can create a script where the sprite says, "Hello," when the green flag is clicked. You create scripts by placing blocks together like a puzzle. Scratch uses different types of blocks to control your projects. Events blocks activate scripts based on actions like clicking the green flag or pressing a key. Motion blocks control how sprites move, and sensing blocks allow sprites to interact with their environment. With Scratch, you can bring your ideas to life. Create interactive stories, games, and animations that respond to user inputs. The possibilities are endless. Scratch is a fantastic way to start learning programming and unleashing your creativity.